Okay. Hello, welcome to this Comp 321. My name is we are just using this assignment 2, and my name is Moon, and my student number 3010986M3.
Hello, this is Han Kishin, and my student number is 3010908993.
Hello, Professor. This is Irene Nahar. My ID is 3011731998. Today we are gonna discuss about the Skubana ERP system. For this, we have chosen a company named Pincero. It is an watch brand with an affordable price for its quality component and for its young customers. So when they started, it was as their when they started their because of their new region channel volume and categories, it was a bit distressful for them to start the new business at that time. Skubana really helped them to start their business. So when they first started working with Skubana, the big attraction for them was the ability to utilize different warehouse including Amazon. In those days, about 35% of Vincero's business was international. With political turmoil rising, it got harder to fulfill orders internationally as customs processing is different in every country. So, and at that time, Vincero only employed around 10 people at that time. They didn't have the resources to learn all of the tax rules and custom processes in every single country. So they said Skuvana was huge for them because they were able to send stuff to Amazon in the EU warehouse and then fulfill orders via those warehouse through Skubana. That process helped cut their shopping cost, but also cut down times for customers to get their product, and is still something they practice with Amazon in Australia. So Escubanas have multi-warehouse functionality, makes it easier for Vincel to run a global business. And with the last solution, they had to go. The problem they actually faced with the last solution, actually, they had to go in and route every single order manually. The light system pull order out of Spotify to provide the team with a rough idea of what's going on, and it had many limitations. It required a third party to print the postage, but they couldn't edit the orders or cancel them, and it didn't send out tracking. Just about everything had to be done manually. So at that time, Vincero was doing only 10% of the orders they do today, and Vincero had only 10 people on the team, so they would have to manually process of customer tickets, returns, and exchange everything. And after that, when they started Skubana, they said that saved them countless hours to their shipping once they are able to use a button to move a SKU from their warehouse to Amazon to fulfill ABA internationally. It has saved them a lot of customs fees and shipping time as well. Next, my friend Uram will tell about Skubana.
Okay, I gonna explain this Skubana. Skubana helps you improve the order this fulfillment, inventory management, and business is analytics, and then automate your company the entire e-commerce solution. So, there is a lot of these options. Is inventory management is control tracking and optimization. You can issue the purchases order to replenish your inventory with just a few clicks. This also is prevents intentional overruns with full customer reviews, and automate is a manage and process is a purchase order. It integrates online is a shopping cart is online marketplace, and POS point of sale system to is give convenience. Order filters, for example, can be used to alter orders capacity and carrier and service order processing method, billing and customs setting automatically and quickly. And shipping tool Scubanas is automatic, is order function, is estimate, is skipping, is cost, is based on the distance. Projected is delivery, is date and price, and then notifies. And your most is cost effective delivery option. It also has the strong delivery capabilities such as the ordering or printing stamps and printing shipping label for the delivery. And one-click integration. Scubana has the largest number of the integration for this three card, Webginity and Spotty and BigCommerce and other platforms. Returns is management. Scubana provide straightforward return service by monitoring the status of the return. You may simply request or cancel a return with a single click. And statistical analysis. Scubana examine a number of statistics, FIFO values, prediction, analysis, and profitability list, and more are among the statistics given along the item list forecasts. So why did you choose this Amazon Scubana? For starters, Scubana was conceived and constructed by the founders as a direct to customers. It's a business, so they know exactly what their customers want. As can be, since Scubana offers a CRM program that is operate Scubana's dashboard is also had the advantage of the being intuitive and simple to comprehend and customize. If a problem is what is errors, dedicated manager was assigned in a form of the one-on-one inquiry, which had the advantage of the obtaining and general answer, and rather than an automated response, we decided it was good CRM for Amazon because of the three benefits listed above. So implementally, strategy is first is set aside the specific amount of time for research and designing. It's the advisable to invest time on search and design concept before implementing ERP system for the greatest result. And second, concentrate on testing and development. Consider project is a management and program development in the context of the film. Grasp of the design is specifications. Additionally, system testing can be done concurrently with the development is pulse. You might, for example, elect to the test specific ERP modules while others are still being developed. So third is finish the progress with the developer and support. It would be a smooth and transaction with a few technical issues if the company's ERP accomplishes the needed backend queries and paid special attention to its design and development in the process. However, if the issues arise, it is critical to get assistance and as quickly as possible to remedy them. So identify the module and subsystem is required. As you can see, I just put in the activity diagram for this buyer and administrator and seller. So I'm started just administrator, and then just go to the buyer show the upload product, and then there is another show the upload product for the admin. admin, and there's the go to the select item because the buyer wants to select the item too, and then there is a price, and then go to the working on the process, and there is also some to the working on the process, to the see the admin, and to the go to the like receive the information to the on the buyer purchase from a seller is showing, and then just the seller is go to the product is related to this delivery, and then there is when I see the there is all these all these all this information, and buyer also is make a payment, and then the payment is go to the seller and receive the payment is release this also is a receipt, and giving this maybe giving this sales is for the admin, and go to this product is received, the receipt is issued. When I get that, and then there is ended. And I also saw there is module subsystem is required. There is three things. It's a market school and UPC and QuickBook. And there is all these market modules is the subsystems is required by the Scubana, and also is Scubana is there is a product inform the products to the from this Amazon too. So I'm toast the Hangyu. So Hangyu is go to the module and functionality by drawing user case model, please.
Okay, this is Han Kyushin, and above picture is a use case model explaining the functionalities of Skuvana. Several functions are intertwined, and each does its own functions. As you can see, there are three users, like administrator, CRM system, and CRM users. Users, they are divided into three parts, and the first is the manager, that is the administrator who runs the company. They have chosen Skuvana to provide better services to the CRM user. As noted above, they can manage their customers' information and use it as a conduit to offer a better products or accommodate more customers. The second user is the CRM system who manages the Skuvana. The manager shows the products or customers' information received from the company's manager to the CRM user. For example, it would be convenient to understand that it is a bridge between the administrator and the CRM users. The last users, CRM users, are customers who purchase products through Skuvana. Customers will be able to easily use the function such as creating an account, checking the company's products, writing reviews and refunds after purchase through Skuvana. In the picture, there is a lot of functionalities that three users can use. And next part, Irene will explain the design high-level conceptual integration architectures.
Thank you, Hangu, for giving me the chance. So Skuvana helps to bring the clarity to everything to do unified platform. It helps to track pricing, minimum order quantities, production lead time across every suppliers. So in there you can see your entire multi-channel landscape with one dashboard for all your channels, warehouse, products, and is a seamless operation, reduce friction, efficiency when all the teams use the same dashboard. So its customers say is actually about the Skubana is while they are sleeping, Skubana is crunching large volume of moving data in real time and always calculate the right quantity at the right time. It automates half of their operations and automatically accurately informs the rest. We didn't get much information about it, sir. Can I see the first picture, please?
Oh yeah.
Thank you. So we didn't get much information about the hierarchy of Escubana. So from the documentation of what we understand, we have created this hierarchy. So we have divided it into three parts. So first part is the API based one. So there are two types of API. One is API developer and API user. They're consuming the API. So the API is stored in cloud storage, and there are three kind of database in their database system. One is shipping system, inventory system, payroll system, and there are a lot more many kinds of database in there. I have just listed three of them. And from the database, it is going to the data is going to the API level. They have a tons of API. I have ordered some of these: inventory API, order API, product API, purchase order, and shipment API. And these APIs are going through the HTTP request to the API gateway, the API gateway developer portal or management portal, and from there developer can get any data they want to see, whatever they want to see, how they want to see. They can retrieve the data from that. They have the chance to get the data and mix and match with whatever as their desired data visualization. And from the API management layer, the after the developers build the project, so API that the customer can see it in the client application. Can you move to the next one, please? Thank you. So here I have listed some of the product of their offering. So the user can create an account. So when the Escubana is integrated with the Amazon, so the some steps they have to follow. The user can create the account. User can create the product. User can create inventory, reports, and return. So to create the return create account, they have to do two-factor authentication, and they have to verify the identity with any kind of identity any kind of card, identity card. To add in product, they can create a new product in Amazon, or they can search for product. They can request product approval. When they request product approval, working actually like this: when they upload a when they don't have any product picture, but they want to use other product other person's picture, so they can request the product approval from the owner of the picture. In this way, they don't have to upload their own picture. They can use Amazon's picture. And the inventory, they can create their own SKU. They can manage the FA inventory. They can track the inventory. They can hide the inventory. They can manage their own inventory as they want. And for report, they can produce different kind of report for this: active list, open list report, all list report, order report. There are so many reports on there. I have just listed some of these here. And for return, they can manage their own return, that how they wanna make their customer to return their product. Can you go to next one? Yeah. And here I have added the table for the actually is the Amazon marketplace service, the how the ERP Amazon working with the ERP warehouse and the customers. So when a order is placed, the order fulfillment request and creates a sales order, and then it's go to the ERP system, a cash sales. And from the cash sales, it go to, there are three of these. After this three line, there is going to the item invoice. From the invoice, it is going to customer invoice. And there are actually 8 of those. Order placement, notify customer available of item. If the item is not available, order fulfillment notification. Whenever this is the acknowledgement of the order fulfilled by Amazon, the customer invoice. Whenever the product is their order is fulfilled, customer will get the customer invoice. And then payment, they will get the payment receipt. How they apply the payment or cash sale, they will get the payment receipt. And after the delivery, so they will notify about the delivery and the product owner will get the delivery info, and they can update the delivery, and at that time they can track the inventory. They can change their inventory, and it will do automatically, but if they want, they can do it by themselves as well. And after the order delivered, if customer doesn't like it, they can return the order, refund processing, and credit card memo. So everything is done by Skubana and Amazon in there. That's all my part. Next, Uram will tell the conclusion part. Thank you.
Oh, it's a Hangul.
Oh, it's Angus.
In conclusion, by using Skubana, administrator, CRM system, and CRM user can all easily solve and handle tasks, providing services such as saving time, minimizing damage, and providing convenience. Skubana is a good system for now, but also Skubana will continue to listen to customers and keep updating the functionalities of Skubana. Lastly, can you show the references page? These are the references we used to write the documentation we wrote. Thank you for listening.
Okay, there is already is a presentation all. So there just is a finish this the Skubana and finish this assignment too. So thanks, bye.